Hello there. My name is Tyler. I decided to start this company when I was about 16, and I got assigned this really annoying calc project in calculus class. But it's really grown on me, and I find myself a big fan of related rates. So yeah, I'm just here to introduce myself. I'm gonna be talking to you more, and if you see me on Tinder, make sure to swipe right.
Hi, my name is Evan Terry. I founded the Related Rates organization with Tyler Backley in 2015. We are excited to show you how to master the concept of related rates in this episode.
In order to understand related rates, you must first know its definition. In differential calculus, related rates problems involve finding the rate at which a quantity changes by relating that quantity to other quantities whose rates of change are known. The rate of change is usually in respect to time.
I'm now going to talk to you about the general steps in completing a related rates problem. Step 1. Find the equation that has the variable you need to solve for. For example, if you want to eventually find the rate of the radius changing in a circle, you're going to need the equation a equals pi r squared. Step 2. Take the derivative of both sides of the equation. For example, if you have the equation a equals pi r squared, the derivative for that is going to be a prime equals 2 pi r times r prime. Step 3. Get the equation in terms of the variable you're trying to solve for. For example, if you have the equation a equals pi r squared and you're trying to find the rate of which the radius is changing, you're going to need to have r prime equal to a prime over 2 pi r. If you're trying to find the value of one rate, the problem is going to give you the values of the other unknown rates. For example, if you're trying to find r prime, the problem is going to automatically give you a prime. For the final step, plug in the variables you already know. If you're trying to find r prime, plug in the value of a prime, and then plug in the value of r to find r prime.
Hi, is this a related rates company?
Yes, this is the Related Rates organization. What is your related rates problem today?
Well, today's my son's birthday, and I have a spherical balloon that I want to fill up. Now, I was thinking to myself that this is a great opportunity for me to learn calculus, specifically on related rates. And now with this air pump, I know that I can pump 7 feet cubes of air into the spherical balloon per minute. And I was wondering, what is the rate at which the radius is changing if the diameter of the spherical balloon is 21 feet.
Michael, the formula we need to use for your problem is v equals 4/3 pi r cubed. We know that v prime of t equals 7 because the air is being pumped into the balloon at a rate of 7 centimeters cubed per minute. What we are trying to find is r prime of t.
Okay, that makes sense.
We also know that since the diameter is 21 feet, the radius is going to be the diameter divided by 2. So the radius will be 10.5 feet.
Got it.
Now we have to differentiate both sides of the formula with respect to t. So we are going to get v prime equals 4 pi r squared times r prime, and we are going to solve for r prime to help your problem. We now need to plug in our known values. So we know, as we stated before, that v prime of t is equal to 7 feet, and then we have 4 pi times 10.5 squared, because 10.5 was the radius, times r prime. We now have to just simplify the equation and solve for r prime. After solving for r prime, we get that the radius is increasing at 1 over 200 feet per minute when the diameter is 21 feet. I hope this helps your problem.
Thank you for your time. I'm beginning to understand related rates more.